in the 10 years there at Beth Chaim, I also put in, I wanted the kids to have some fun too. So we put in a course which I taught the first year myself in Yiddish. And it was not a formal course in Yiddish language. It was a course in, let's find out what your parents are talking about. And we used to sit there for about 45 minutes on a Sunday morning and just talk about words. And I'd ask them to take a notebook and write down the words. Okay, what did they say? Is nish good? What does that mean? Oh, it means not good. Okay, oh, is that what they're saying? And we just had a fun class. And that was the first attempt at introducing Yiddish in my life.